2. By the end of 2026, there will be two types of students: those working harder than ever, and those quietly winning while everyone else wonders how. No, they're not geniuses, they're not lucky, and no, they're not cheating. They're using AI tools that most people either ignore or don't even know exist yet. And here's the scary part. If you're not using these tools already, you're not falling behind slowly, you're falling behind exponentially. So stay with me, because tool number 7 is the one students are gatekeeping the hardest. Let's expose the system. Tool number 1. AI research assistance. Students in 2026 aren't Googling anymore. Third, using AI research assistants that read entire papers, textbooks, and PDFs and then explain them like a smart friend who actually knows what they're talking about. You ask one question, it connects ideas across sources, summarizes arguments, and even tells you what actually matters. Be honest, how many tabs do you have open right now? Exactly, and this is just the tool. Number 2. AI note-to-video converters. Here's where things get interesting for future YouTubers. Students are turning class notes into full video scripts, visuals, and even B-roll suggestions, automatically. One lecture gives one, explicable video gives one upload. No scriptwriter, no editor panic. No, I don't know what to say. And once you realize this, you start asking a dangerous question. Make notes when you can make content. Tool number 3. AI tutors that never get tired. Forget tutoring sessions that cost $60 an hour. AI tutors in 2026 adapt to how you think. They slow down when you're confused, speed up when you get it, and explain the same concept 5 different ways without judging you. Try asking a human tutor to repeat something 5 times. I'll wait. And this leads to the next unfair advantage. Tool number 4. AI writing partners. Top students aren't asking AI to write essays. They're using it as a thinking partner, to sharpen arguments, to restructure ideas, to turn messy thoughts into clean, confident writing, which means when others are staring at a blank page, they're already polishing draft number 3. But writing is only half the game. Tool number 5. AI video editors. This one hits hard if you want to grow on YouTube. Students are feeding raw clips into AI editors that cut dead space, add captions, suggest hooks, optimize for shorts and long form. Imagine spending more time uploading than editing. Yeah, that's real now, and it gets better. Tool number 6. AI trend predictors. This is where people start winning before others even notice the game. AI tools are now predicting what topics will trend, what keywords will explode, what content will die next month. Students use this to pick smarter video ideas, better niches, less competition. They don't chase trends. They arrive early. But the final tool, this one changes everything. Tool number 7. AI knowledge compounding systems. This is the tool nobody talks about. AI systems that remember everything you learn, connect it over time, and resurface it exactly when you need it. Your notes, your ideas, your content plans, all linked, all searchable, all evolving. While others relearn the same things again and again. These students are stacking knowledge like compound interest. And once that clicks, there's no going back. Here's the real truth. No one tells you. AI isn't a shortcut anymore. It's the new baseline. In 2026, the difference between people who win and people who struggle won't be talent. It'll be who adapted first. Some students will keep doing things the old way, working longer hours, feeling stuck, wondering why nothing clicks. Others will quietly build skills, confidence, and content scores with tools that make them faster, sharper, and impossible to ignore. And the scariest part, both groups will think they're doing enough. Only one of them will be right. So don't leave yet. On the end screen, I'll be breaking down the exact AI websites beginners are using right now, tools that turn confusion into clarity and effort into leverage. If you want to stay ahead instead of catching up, click the video on screen. This is where the real advantage starts.